Okay, so let's look at the next one, example 13. Given that the gravitational field strength on the surface of the Earth is 9.81 Newton per kg, and the radius of the Earth is 6.38 exponent 6 meter. Find the minimum energy needed to send a rocket of mass 4,500 kg from the surface of the Earth to infinity, and then the escape velocity of the rocket. Okay, so we are given the gravitational field strength here, okay, which is this value. Okay, so gravitational field strength is actually the value for deceleration. Okay, but we are given in terms of this unit because we know that the gravitational field strength is equal to the force, the gravitational force divided by the mass, di mana gravitational force unit dia adalah Newton and mass unit dia adalah kg, which is actually the same thing as meter per second squared. So this one here dia bagi 9.81. So ni adalah value untuk gravity. Okay, these two are the same thing. Okay, now we are given the radius of the Earth. Okay, what we want is the minimum energy needed to send a rocket of mass 4,500 kg from the surface of the Earth. So this is the Earth, and then we have a rocket here, and then we want to send this rocket to one point at infinity lah. So we need to know what is the energy, the minimum energy, okay, for this rocket to be sent out to the space. Okay, so before this, I have explained, okay, that in order for a body to escape, okay, to escape from the planet, from the surface of the planet, okay, it must have a sufficient kinetic energy. Okay, dia mesti ada value untuk kinetic energy to escape to the space. So here the energy that we are going to use is the kinetic energy, which is equal to half mv square. Okay, dekat sini, because it is at the surface kan. So this minimum kinetic energy is using the escape velocity. So this one here is the value for escape velocity. So in order to find question A, we need to find question B first. So kita boleh cari B dahulu, escape velocity, which is equal to 2gr. So since this one planet yang digunakan adalah Earth, so we can use this formula straight away. So masukkan 2g adalah 9.81, radius adalah what is the radius? 6.38 exponent 6, and then you will get the escape velocity is equal to 11.1 at exponent 3 meter per second. So now that we have the escape velocity, we can masukkan dekat sini untuk cari kinetic energy. So kinetic energy half m. M is the mass of the rocket, sebab mass rocket ni lah yang bergerak kan. Rocket ni lah yang ada kinetic energy. So here, and then don't forget the square. So the kinetic energy you will get is equal to 2.81 exponent 11 joule.